E-Park.
E-Park!
This is Coach.
It's
Are you Coach?
Player spotted.
It's our vlogger.
Nice to meet you. I've been following you on Facebook ever
Hey,
since.
I messaged you, man. Nananghig ko niya ba? Kasi na? English na.
I asked you to.
I asked a permission that I will use your music to my video to Rene.
Of course, but where did you text me? Because I didn't see it.
I email you, bro.
I've got to be honest, I don't check my emails that much, but of course.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Nice music, good idea. Big brain, bro. Big brain. Good.
Player spotted. Real quick. Are you gonna be in London?
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Are you gonna be in London in June?
Yeah.
I'ma see you. I'm coming. Yes.
Oh my God.
What's
You're from
your real
London,
name,
bro?
No, I'm not from London, but London is like an hour flight if I fly from Germany or Greece, so I would definitely come 100%.
Oh, nice. Hope to see you soon, bro.
What's your name?
Name in?
Your real name?
Your real name, Dan. They call me Dan.
Nice to meet you, Dan. Kitara tapuhon akong amigo.
Patutuya!
Lami kaayo patutuya! Maayong gabi.
Nice to meet you, bro. So we need to go. We're in province. We're having fun here. So nice to meet you again, bro. See you soon. A-Port.
Salamat, chat. See you soon, bro.
Okay,
Take
love
care.
you, bro. Mwah.
Mahay kita. Love you too.